This is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited. Stock number is 28216T. There's the fog lights on it. This color is called Dark Cordovan. This is a hybrid. The flashers here in the mirror. All power. Your console for you. It's got an 8.4 touchscreen radio. Cruise control. Bluetooth, everything in the wheel. It does have the panoramic roof in this one. It goes all the way back. It is heated and ventilated seats. Nice and nice on the back doors. You can just push the button. This is going to be a 7-passenger here. Shows you that sunroof goes. It's for the rear entertainment. It's a 7.4. You got an HDMI port, a USB port, and then the port for the headphones. Backup camera on there. It does have the stow and go in the back. A couple little compartments here for you. There's the rims for you. Black leather interior. It's got 115 volt right here. You can plug in your phone chargers or anything. Again, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. This is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited. Stock number is 28216T. You can visit us online at www.sherrychrysler.com. Or you can give us a call at 937-778-0830. Thanks.